Another summer night by the ocean. Mindu ġibna kil-karaoke meċin fl-istaflu. Kienu ħosni rġajt sir teenager. Issa jktit il-lejla antik show. Naughty boy, my friend. Insomma, jtuqad bil-aqal ma tifanga li ġibtak il-cake forsi. Għax hej, dik it-tam zed tikber, tibqa zejrek, se nisbitċan dawwarlek zigarella maqaddek, u għallejt li klassi nġibrom lilek minn flok l-Easter egg.
Skużi, mizgat?
Qalbi, ħammura x'wasal il-professor. Qalbi, stop being romantic over the phone while someone in a wheelchair is listening, please. You're going to hurt his feelings. X'inġifieri x'għandu x'jaqsam li he's in a wheelchair? You're being insensitive to his situation, miskin. What do you mean he's not a miskin just because he's in a wheelchair? Of course he's a miskin. He's a poor miskin, and he should be treated with respect, and you're such an idiot. Bye. Good morning, Professor Grishti! Thank you for coming all the way from the NASA Space Center in San Francisco to meet my students. On behalf of the St. Nicholas School Administration, we are very happy to have you.
Wow, tista' tbaxxi ftit.
Baxxi, of course. I said, good morning, Professor Grishti! Thank you for coming all the way from the NASA Space Center in San Francisco.
Għandi pjaċir, però jekk tista' ma tajjax daqshekk.
Sorry?
Tweża direttament f'udnejja, onestament, ma nafx għalfejn.
I was being well, you know, nice, peress li war in a...
Il-problema f'sajja qiegħda mhux f'udnejja. Is-smieħ tajjeb, sajja not so much.
F'saj problema.
U kif tista' żgur tapprezza?
Smieħ tajjeb.
Sajnu l-udnejn huma żewġ body parts differenti, mhux hekk?
My God, that's a really good observation. Very deep and intellectual.
To be honest, I was just being playful.
If everyone was as clever as you, I tell you. My God, how clever you people are.
Us people? Min aħna us people?
You know, people with this...
People with this...
People with this amazing intelligence. The light of the world you are.
Ma kontx forsi se tgħid people with disability hux?
Disability? Why would I say that's stupid? I mean, not stupid, you're not stupid, anzi brillanti inti. Stupid fis-sens li... what can I say it is today, eh?
Ah, yes, it is. Clear skies, breeze...
Makes you just want to get outside for a jog. A log, like a Christmas log. I love Christmas log and tea and those little like Lulu with the pink.
Sinjura Gat, qabel ma jislu studenti, qed tideskom da bil-disabilità tiegħi?
Disabilità? What disabilità? Mela, I have a disabilità, as I noticed.
Don't tell me you didn't notice my wheelchair.
Ara, lovely nice. Now that you mention it, Ara, a wheelchair. I was wondering a bit what that was before. A bit, I was wondering, not a lot of these things really don't affect me. How cool! Cool and genius.
U lex genius, sinjura Gat, studjajt u stinkajt u wasalt.
Oh, lei, you are a genius.
Grazzi.
Genius.
Rajt xi affarijiet minn tiegħi lura.
You mean, kotba ġifiri?
Ma naħsibx li tista' taqra t-toast bil-marmaritik il-dal-order breakfast. Qed inkun umoristiku, Sinjur Gat. It's a joke.
It's a joke, hilarious. Marmaritik, how humoristic you are. Ma, you are a genius, and you're funny, even though you're in a... Here come the students, the joy of my world. What a splendid honor to be part of their formation. Tomorrow's leaders, you know, I know each one of them like the back of my own hand. Good morning, Silvan.
Miss, jina Albert.
That's right, morning, Antoine.
Miss, jina Albert. Albert, il-repeater miegħek 3 snin ħanina mandolina.
I must be doing something right if we keep coming back from Averu.
Morning, miss. Hello to the Alicia.
Alicia, kamil darba rrit ngħidlek biex tiġi l-iskola bl-uniformi bħalma jiġi kulħadd.
Miss, kamil darba tnajdlek li my daddy basically pays your stupid wage with the amount of donations he gives to the school. Ħaxħaxħan.
Miss, dan il-boyfriend.
No, sort as if she's so good for me. That much I wouldn't have a boyfriend like him. You know, handsome and compact.
Kif ħaġa, tkellem għata s-sawa għaw bejgu professor Gixxi ċennaner. Rajti kol basija kolla. Astrophysics 1, 2 and 3. Astrophysics the Revenge. Astrophysics for Putis. Nissa, immislek ftit idejk. Immislek maħok. Noħodlok maħok. Noħodlok bidejk.
The pleasure is all mine.
Mela settle down, please, Professor Grixti huwa l-ewwel astronauta Malti li se jmexxi missjoni spazjali man-NASA. Very, very special man. U qiegħed biex jagħtina talk dwar l-astrofisika. Please give Professor Grixti a welcoming applause.
Yes!
Grazie.
Professor Grixti, yes! Yes!
Grazie. Tista' tieqaf. Illum flok natikom it-tok jiena se nħallikom tistassuni dak kollu li intom kurużi dwaru fuq il-ħolqien tal-univers, il-formazzjoni tal-galassi li tridu insomma.
Li rridu Brolo.
Ekku.
Għandi waħda jiena. Int kif tagħmel pipi?
Oh my God, Adam.
Albert.
What a pastas. I'm sorry, Professor, he's from Zejtun.
Anka minn Zejtun. Allura?
Mistoqsijiet xjentifiċi, Albert. Sorry, Professor Grixti.
Okay, Brolex. Mela, xjentifikament, Brolofornia. Int kif tagħmel pipi?
Albert, ux veru.
Spot on.
Jien broloskop nagħmel pipi pretty much bħal kulħadd fuq it-toilet. Nimmira u nħalli gravità tagħmel xogħla.
Profs,
Yes, Alicia?
for my birthday I'm getting a Porsche.
Okay.
Stanna ħorċat smijak għal fuq Instagram, please.
Fil-kas nuħdu qed wara t-tok, tajjeb?
Għax the thing is, photos with disabled people get sheba likes, it's true.
Mulej,
Għax like last time, my best friend Nina Jo, she's a liar and a kiss and when she posts, she only gets 20 likes. I'm surprised her parents still love her. At Christmas time, she posted this picture with her disabled cousin and she got 232 likes.
Indi bis-serjetà.
Okay, fine, it's 233, but one of them was hers, so you don't count it, eh?
I realized what an achievement that might appear to an obtuse piece of spinach like you, but Professor Grixti is the recipient of the Nobel Prize for Scientific Discovery.
But the thing is, Professor, her disabled cousin, all she has, like she's blind and not much of a miskina like you, for example, and people feel really good about themselves when they press a like for a miskin. Let that guy with the crutches, Oliver, the commissary of CRPD, when he posts has a runny nose. Even the Prime Minister likes his posts. He's a gold mine of popularity. I admire him personally.
Tista' titfalatu fuq dak il-lokki taħal li għandek.
Go home and snug your book, sight.
Kieku Paris Hilton tgħidlek biex taqqaxxar stuftajnek bil-greater tal-ġubun tagħmilha.
Miss Katz, I'd like to report Manuela for mentioning God's name in vain.
Brolo de Janeiro, imma meta tagħmel number 2 l-istess bħal meta tagħmel number 1.
Tistgħu forsi saqsuni domandi relatati ma' suġġett jekk joġobkom.
Can I tell you?
Tell me.
Can I tell you?
Tell me.
Imma can I tell you?
Or just come out and bloody say it.
About that picture.
Għaliex ruħi, il-persuni b'diżabilità mhux qegħdin fid-dinja biex jiġbdu simpatija tan-nies. Għandna narħajja normali bħal ħaddieħor li jridu ngħixuha.
But we could be front page on Love in Malta, ta. And Ben Camille would definitely want to marry me then.
I can safely say that I have other ambitions in life than marrying off to Ben Camille.
Have I told you I have 7 white ponies that can sing the theme song to Frozen?
Alicia, one more word from you about ponies or Porsches or xaħġa oħra li that bought you and I will put you in detention until you are old enough to have grandchildren, which you will never have because you would have spent all your life in detention.
Talking about my dad, what a shame it would be if the karaoke machine he just bought for the school would suddenly disappear, eh, miss?
Oh, la darba nitkellmu fuq ix-xjenza. Ħantikom naqqa statistika. Isma' ħalfaq għaliex qalbi. Statistically, the only photos that get more engagement than pictures with disabled people on social media are... Ismawa. Stennewa. Photos with babies.
Oh, yeah, show me.
Yes, Manuela?
Napprezza kieku jekk tista' jekk trid, jekk speċi mhux with ħasil tispjega li klassi aħna ġifieri klassi qed tifhem u tifhem ċassa dak jaqbad is-sinktiri u jagħmilha ċopp.
Ejli, Manuela, xi trid nispjega?
Bħal speċi kif indunajna li l-univers qed jespandi.
Domanda interessanti. fil-bidu tas-seklu 20.
Professor important!
Għaliexa, nispjega lil Manuela
I should
mbagħad.
check on Wikipedia and it says, int mizzewweġ.
Yes, Għaliexa, I'm married.
Tfal you have.
Yes, tfal I have.
Can you lend them to me for a photo?
Mela tfal tiegħi xi marja Talja mamej, ħanin.
Cause the thing is, babies get most likes and disabled second. So if I took a picture with your disabled children I'd be more popular than Kim Kardashian's bonbon.
Għaliexa ruħi, sempliċement għax jien għandi diżabilità, ma jfissirx li tfal tiegħi għandhom ukoll.
So they don't have a wheelchair or anything?
Xejn minn dan,
A scratches?
sorry to disappoint you.
Not a limp? A squint? They by sail?
Nothing.
Ma, how useless you are.
Allura, sier, biex tagħmel it-tfal inti sewwa?
Daqsek! Dan il-bniedem biddel kif id-dinja taħsibha fuq il-gravità. Time Magazine se jagħlu The Brightest Man since Da Vinci u intom tistaqsuh fuq il-babies u kif jagħmel pipi. Ara vera l-umanità waslet fix-xifer.
You can't talk to me like that. I have a cruise ship with my name on it.
Then take that cruise ship and sail it off your head. Live today and leave the past behind.
You will never take that karaoke machine away from me, you pampered piece of poo-poo.